Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to make video clearer on CapCut application. First thing we're gonna do is go into the CapCut and we can choose either you want to start the new project or you can choose the previous project that you have. Here is my previous project, and if you can see clearly, here have like a blurry effect on my video. How to make it clearer? You can just go to edit and slide into the left side the features below until we found a adjust here, and after that you just need to go into the sharpen tools and adjusting the sharpen level of your video. If you can see here, let me show you. Please take a look this video, and then let me show you after. You can see that the difference now. The video looks clearer compared to previous one. Okay, this one is the previous one, and this is after we affecting the sharpen. It's look like clearer. But what if I want to be the quality of the video is better? We just need to go into these resolutions, and now you can go the resolution. You can change from 1080p into 2K. And now it will be appear after you export the video. And that's how the way you make the video clear on CapCut. If you find that this video is really useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.